Hey everybody, it's me and Neil, and I am here with this. I have this EVA lightweight raincoat. So we're gonna check this thing out. I'll open it up and put it on, see how it looks and see how it feels. If I can figure out how to open it, there we go. Oh, 2 EVA lightweight raincoats. Didn't realize that. And it says both for men and women. So let's see, how do we open this up? I'm gonna try to open it up carefully so I can put them back in the bag so I can save them for a rainy day since it is dry today. Going on a trip tomorrow and it might be rainy there, so figured I'd stock up this. So that's kind of why I bought these here. So, oh, these feel good. It doesn't feel like those super cheap, plasticky, super thin ones. It feels almost like a shower curtain kind of feel. So let's see how this is. Exactly like a shower curtain, I guess. So it's kind of good. So, we just made them out of shower curtains. So this is how it looks. So it's actually kind of nice. It's like a jacket. I'll put it on like this instead of it being a poncho. Put it on there and it will cover up. And then you've got the snaps, and it looks like the snaps are good. They overlap a bit here, so when it's raining, the rain won't get through there unless you're getting the pouring rain that direction. But how do I look? So it's good. I mean, I didn't snap it all the way down, but you can see it looks really nice. I mean, it feels really good. And it's big, so it's gonna fit somebody bigger than me. I am 180 something pounds. So very cool. And oh, look at this, I can put this on here. And I can pull the strings too, make it nice and tight. So really cool, nice raincoat. Woman could wear it to the theater. That's where we're going to, city. So wear it to the theater and cover your dress. And when you get there, it's nice and thin and folds back up to about that size, I guess. Looks like it's still got the creases. I could probably fold it up here, but I don't know if you need to see me fold it. But it seems pretty nice. I like it. I'm gonna say this is a really nice little raincoat. It's made of heavy gauge waterproof vinyl. And it's got the hood on it and electrically welded seams, whatever that means. But it seems good to me, seems waterproof, plastic. So thumbs up, links in the description, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.